Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to see how you can turn on and off all sensors in Samsung Galaxy A17. So let's start. First, you need to go to your settings, then scroll down and here you will see developers option. If this option does not appear, don't worry, go to your about phone and go to software information. Now here, tap 7 times on build number. After doing that, developer option will appear. Go to developers option and search quick settings. Now here you will see quick settings developer tiles option. Tap on it. Then go to quick settings developer tiles. From here you will see sensors option. Enable it or you can disable it. So I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit like, subscribe, and I will see you in next video.